Martino, we're at the One-to-One conference in New York today. Tell us a little bit more about Endeavour Mining.
Sure. This is a very interesting time for us, and that's why we're at the One-to-One conference. We've invested $1 billion in the company over the last 3 years, and this is finally starting to bear fruit. We launched the construction of our second mine a year and a half ago, and production started in April of this year. Therefore, Q3 is the first quarter where, rather than investing in the company, we'll be generating net free cash flow for the first time in our history.
So tell me a little bit more about the assets you have, where they are, etc.
Yes, we have 4 mines located across West Africa, 2 in Burkina Faso and 2 in Ivory Coast, and a project in Mali.
And what sort of size of resource have you got?
Our resource today is about 15 million ounces, and beyond this we have a 5-year strategy of finding 10 to 15 million ounces, of which we already found 40% as at end of last year.
So next 6 to 12 months, what's the key milestones for yourselves and message to investors?
Yeah, in fact, rather than looking at next 6 to 12 months, the near term in the next 1 to 3 months is looking at our Q3 results to see that net free cash flow come in. And then with the exploration that's been done over the last 3 years, this is starting to be converted to reserves. So by year end, we'll be able to lock in at least 10 years mine life for both our 2 flagships, Ity and Houndé. Beyond this, into next year, the main focus is to generate cash flows, start to deleverage ourselves, and prepare the growth for what comes next. And for this, we have 2 new projects. We have Kalana, which is a mine that project that we purchased about 2 years ago, and Fetekro, which is a new asset that was discovered where we published a 1.2 million ounce resource in September of this year. So we're now starting to see some healthy competition within our project pipeline as well.
Super. And how's the One-to-One event been for you?
Yes, it's been good. It's interesting to see new faces as well, and I think that based on $1,500 gold price, that probably explains why there's increased appetite for the gold space. As we were discussing, Q3, not only for us but for the industry, is the first quarter where the higher cash flows at $1,500 gold price will start to be seen. So my feeling is that this should spark interest for the sector and for Endeavour as well.
Superb. Well, thanks for your time today.
Great, thank you.